How fun is this? With the help of a light sensor, this 3-in-1 nightlight clock instantly comes on, allowing these bright, warm lights to illuminate the clock face. As you can see here, there are 4 lights at the 12, 3, 6, and 9 that illuminate the time numbers, the hygrometer, and the thermometer. And they're reversed at dawn. As the light comes back on, the light sensor recognizes that and turns the light back off. First impressions, the UV-resistant plastic is sealed with a rubberized gasket to protect the different instrument panels. In addition to time, the hygrometer measures the relative humidity in the air, and the thermometer measures the internal or external air temperature, while the light sensor measures the ambient lighting in the area and will adjust the lights on the clock face on and off accordingly. The clock width is approximately 18 inches in diameter and is approximately 3 inches deep. Each instrument panel runs off 2 double D batteries, not included, 4 total, and the clock face runs off of a double A battery. You can adjust the time appropriately. Installation indoors or outdoors is easy, says it just hangs on one screw, and you can easily check the humidity and the temperature. It's around the 50s inside and almost pushing 80 degrees inside. Time to turn on that AC. Outside, just the same. Love that it is weather resistant and can provide the information you need without having to step inside if you're outside playing or doing yard work. Whether it's indoor or outdoor, day or night, this clock is very attractive and very functional. Thanks to the seller for sending us over. Completely thrilled with this clock.